learners, welcome back to our channel. So today let's begin with the sound of vowel A. As we all know that there are 5 vowels in the English alphabet, that are A, E, I, O and U. So here we are going to learn about the sound of the vowel that is A. So as you can see, we have been given some read alouds. Let's begin with it. So read aloud. That means B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. B-A-G, bag. M-A-T, mat. J-A-M, jam. R-A-T, rat. Right? After that, now we have a lovely poem. So let's sing aloud with the poem. So it says, ratty fatty rat, ratty fatty rat was sitting on a mat. It was waiting for a cat to have a nice chat. Right? After that, we have some phonic drill. Let's read them. Which says, with the first one is AP. That means, किसी भी alphabet के आगे हम लोग AP add करेंगे and then we are going to recognize the sounds of those alphabets as well. So, NAP becomes nap. GAP becomes gap. TAP becomes tap. MAP becomes map. LAP becomes lap. After that, after AP we have AD, right? So let's begin with the words with AD. MAD, mad. BAD, bad. SAD, sad. LAD, lad. And DAD, dad, right? After that, then we have the phonic drill of AT. So let's begin with the words PAT, pat. BAT, bat. RAT, rat. HAT, hat. FAT, fat. After that, we have AN. So hence it becomes MAN, man. BAN, ban. PAN, pan. FAN, fan. And CAN, can. After that, now we have the phonic drill of ATE, right? So let's begin with it. HATE, hate. DATE, date. LATE, late. GATE, gate. And FATE, fate. Right? So I hope you all are clear with all these phonic drills. So I hope you all are clear with all these phonic drills and I hope you also learned the sound of the vowel A. So that was all for this chapter. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.